Okay. Good day. My name is David Blessing from Nigerian Korean Model School, POEFCT Abuja. I'm here to present a topic, case study of classroom teaching plan in model school education. Yes, before then we are going to look at the content of the topic. We have the meaning of teaching plan, the method of teaching plan, advantage of teaching plan, limitation, case study of classroom teaching plan in model school education, as well as the summary. Of course, every teacher dreams to have an effective classroom management. Although at times, topics are very difficult to break. Therefore, teachers seek to find solutions to deliver his or her lesson to the learners. Meaning of teaching plan. It is a principle and method used by a teacher to deliver his or her lesson to the learners. This method are determined by subject matter taught by the teacher. Method of teaching plan. Number one, we have the learner-centered method. We have the lecture method, demonstration method, collaborating method, debriefing method, and classroom discussion. Learner-centered method. It is a way of shifting focus of instruction from the teacher to the learners. And this method, learners contribute more on the topic. Lecture method. It is a method in which a teacher comes to the class, write a topic, deliver his or her lesson to the learners, and give the learners chance to ask any question. Demonstration method. In this method, teacher demonstrates a particular topic. For example, the traditional dance. The teacher demonstrates how a particular tribe perform their traditional dance to the learners. Collaborating method. This goes together, both the teacher and the learners. They come together, discuss on a topic, and bring out their findings. Classroom discussion. Learners are being grouped, and a topic will be given to them to discuss and bring out their findings to the teacher on the topic. Now we are going to look at the advantage of teaching plan. 1. It helps the teacher to provide individual differences in learners. It enables teacher to provide suitable lesson. It limits the work of a teacher. It makes teacher realize his or her goals. It provides adequate checking of outcome instruction. Lesson plan enable the teacher to Provide suitable summary. Limitation. What are the limitations in teaching plan? It is difficult in pulling the preset materials. Teacher goes to the internet and browse and look for the topics, how to write his or her lesson plan. It's time consuming and fixed content. Now we are going to look at the case study of classroom teaching plan in modern school education. In modern school education, a teacher selects teaching plan carefully to meet up with the learner's need and effective delivery of lesson in the classroom. A daily lesson plan is developed by a teacher to guide class learning. In conclusion, for a teacher to deliver 21st century lesson that will meet up with the global standard of education, there are needs to embrace modern techniques of teaching methodology. If your lesson is boring, check your teaching plan and adjust to have the best for effective lesson. Thank you.